y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I am showing you guys how to make spicy barbecue chicken wings. I know McDonald's just came out with their spicy barbecue tenders, so I thought why not make wings instead. If you want to see it, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes like this one, and let's get started. To begin, you will need about 12 to 15 wings. Make sure they are nice and clean and pat dry. Now I am going to pour about 1 teaspoon of oil. It doesn't matter what type of oil you use, just pour it on there and mix it. But I am using olive oil for this recipe. Once the oil is well combined all over the chicken, we're going to season it with salt and pepper, okay? Now salt and pepper is based on how much you want to add on there. Now I am using paprika, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder with a little bit of creole seasoning. The measurement of course will be down below. I know it looks a lot, but I just like to over season everything. You don't have to use all of this seasoning if you don't want to. For me, I have to. I want my wings to taste extra delicious. Once you are done, mix everything together. We're going to cover this and place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to fry our chicken wings. I am going to fry it on 375 for 15 minutes, okay? 375 for 15 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Then we're going to take them out. This is about 7 minutes through the process. I am showing you guys how it looks. Then we're going to let it fry some more until our 15 minutes is up. Once it is done, this is what it looks like. Nice and brown and crispy as well. Now my wings are fairly small, so if you're using bigger wings, you might have to cook yours longer. Now in a skillet, I am going to add, well, this is a cast iron. I am going to add about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is to make the spicy barbecue sauce. I am going to add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon W sauce. The measurement will be down below as well. Just mix that together, and I'm cooking this on low, okay? Then we're going to add our sriracha sauce. Now this is based on your liking. If you don't want it to be too spicy, don't go ham and add a bunch of sriracha sauce, okay? You can add about 3 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Now I am going one step further and add barbecue sauce to this, okay? It's going to be sweet and spicy, and trust me, once you add your chicken, make sure it's well coated with the sauce, okay? By now your stove should be completely off, okay? Then we're going to next we want to cover the chicken wings with the sauce, okay? And once you are done, this is what you have. You have the most beautiful spicy barbecue glazed chicken wing. Of course, you can bake your chicken if you want. You don't have to fry it, but this is it right here. Every single bite of this chicken is full of flavor. Why? Because we did take our time to marinate this chicken, okay? Do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Also, thumbs up the video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.